These are the tools that are used for the valve cover on the Ford Fusion.
Okay, we're gonna remove the coils. So I'm removing this connector right here. Just push it here. They slide out. We're gonna do all 4 of them. There you go. Just put them to the side, out of the way. Now we're gonna take a 8mm. Remove these bolts right here. Put them to the side. Then we take out the coils. Okay, after we're gonna remove all these connectors, even this middle one. I just pop this one out. There's a connector in there. So I use these pliers. There we go. And then this one has a little. Push this out. And push it down. Comes right out. This one, there's no clip, so you just push it down and right up. Alright, and then we're gonna remove this breather hose right here. So I like to use a little bit of WD-40. Just kind of spray it. A little bit. You want to come this way? Just push it out of the way. And just stick it in. So what I was pushing is push this little clip out of the way, and then you can take it out. So next is to remove all these harness clips out of the way to remove the bolts. It's a little bit brittle. So this one already snapped. That's pretty much all of them. There's one big one right here. There we go. Pretty much all of them. Removing the sensor using the 8mm. Slightly move it around. Oh, sorry. Alright, next is to remove the oil cap. There we go, and then the dipstick. And all the bolts around the valve cover. 8mm. There's a couple here in the middle, so those ones as well. Okay. There's one right here. Move the harness out of the way. There we go. And that should be all. This connector right here. There's a bolt right there that you're gonna have to remove. Using a 10mm. There, we remove all those bolts. We're gonna start prying it. I'm using a 100 popper pry bar. And a gently. So do it gently. It's plastic. I don't like that noise. Let me see what's good. Right. This harness out of the way. This one as well. Probably stuck on the. Yep. So here's the gasket that we're replacing. There's two in the middle, actually three. Okay, so after removing the valve cover, you want to clean it. So all this stuff, clean it, make sure everything's clean. On these two corners, there's a little bit of gasket. So you want to clean that and add some on these screws. Same one here. And then you install in reverse order of removal.